Oxford named it the word of the year in 2024, brain rot. Millions of people are feeling it. The biology behind it is now measurable. In 2016, researchers at MIT published a discovery that changed the field. A simple rhythm, 40 cycles per second, could activate the brain's own clearance system. Measurable reductions in cognitive pathology with no drugs, no devices, just sound delivered with precision. This is neuroscience, precision, measurable, and scalable. At Vibes AI, we built the listening face of that science. Precision engineered audio delivered inside the format that people already use every day. Their headphones, their habits, their 15 minutes. The research lives in labs, the opportunity lives everywhere.